Hello, everyone, welcome to another one of our videos, this time talking about the art and science of back squats. In this video, we are going to show you how to perform a squat safely and efficiently, so you can excel at the gym and in life. Squatting is one of the most versatile and essential exercises out there because it works many muscles and is a movement we use every day. But, be careful. Like any powerful movement, a poorly executed squat can cause problems. That's where we come in, to help you optimize your technique. We will discuss the importance of mobility and core activation, which are fundamental to perform a perfect squat. Respecting our suggestion will greatly help to improve your range of motion, flexibility, and stability. So, whether you are a gym novice or a veteran, this video is for you. Don't forget to like the video, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the cool content we bring to you. Let's get into it. Before we start talking about squatting, it's important to prepare our joints for the action. So, let's talk a little about the importance of ankle and hip mobility in the squat. The ankle is a crucial part of our body when it comes to squatting. It allows you to squat deeper and safer, without compromising your posture. Ankle mobility also helps maintain knee alignment and good weight distribution during the movement. It may not seem like it, but a stiff ankle can significantly hamper your squat. Now that we've discussed the ankle, let's move on to the hip. Hip mobility is essential for a proper squat. If the hip is stiff, you may have problems with the depth of the squat and with alignment and stability during the movement. So, before we start squatting, it's important to work on the mobility of these joints. A mobile ankle and hip will allow a more efficient and safer squat. After we've worked on mobility, it's time to activate our core. Core activation will provide the necessary stability during the exercise, and it's a perfect complement to the mobility we worked on before. Now that we've worked on mobility and activated the core, we're ready for today's main movement, the back squat. The previous work on mobility and core activation will now allow us to perform a safer, more efficient, and deeper squat. Squatting is a comprehensive exercise, which works several muscle groups. To do it correctly, it's important to follow some guidelines, which we'll detail shortly. Initial position. Place the bar on your back, with the weight balanced between your shoulders and upper back, careful not to place it on your neck. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width, with your toes pointing slightly outward. Make sure the bar is secure and balanced before you start. Descent. Lower your body slowly, keeping your back straight and chest up. Bend your knees and hips simultaneously, as if you were sitting on a chair. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. How far down should you go? Enough to keep your spine straight. If it starts curving, it's a sign that you've gone lower than you should. Ascent. Push the ground with your feet and extend your knees and hips simultaneously to return to the starting position. Keep your back straight and your chest out during the entire movement. Breathing. Inhale deeply before you start to go down and exhale slowly as you come up. This helps maintain trunk stability and control intra-abdominal pressure. It's never too much to remember to be careful with overload. Don't put more weight than you can handle. Start with a smaller load and gradually increase. Remember that only with proper execution of the squat will you get the best results. We hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, please, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support so we can continue to bring you more useful content. See you in the next video.